Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Dr. Moharam Ghosh and I'm back today with another very inspirational video about Suniti Chaudhary and Shanti Ghosh, who were teenage revolutionaries who shot at a British magistrate for his misbehavior towards Indian women and then served jail sentences, underwent physical abuse and torture, lived to see Indian independence, and then served the nation. But before I speak about these two ladies, Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary, in detail, I would like to share a brief about the channel with you. The channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant was started by me in May 2020 in view of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Our mission is to share with you inspirational stories of mankind at its very best so that the present and coming generations are inspired to live by the eternal human principles such as kindness, respect for the elders, integrity, honesty. Living by these principles is the only shortcut to success. So, I request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to live by these eternal human principles. Coming back to our story, Shanti Ghosh was born on 22nd November 1916 in Calcutta and Suniti Chaudhary was born on 22nd May 1917 at Comilla in West Bengal. Both were nationalists and recruited early into the Indian independence movement. On December 31st, Shanti Ghosh along with Suniti Chaudhary, aged 15 years and 14 years respectively, went to the office of the district magistrate of Comilla in West Bengal. The district magistrate was Charles Geoffrey Buckland Stevens. They met him on the pretense of giving him Christmas candies as he was going away for Christmas to England. He took those candies and said that they were delicious. Both the young girls, Shanti Ghosh and Sunita Chaudhary, took out the automatic pistols and shot him at point blank range, saying that, "Well, how about these, Mr. Magistrate?" They were taken into custody and sent to the High Court at Kolkata and sentenced to lifelong imprisonment without any chance of bail. Both expressed their deepest regret that they were not hanged and could not achieve martyrdom for the country. They were both kept in custody for 7 years and suffered tremendous physical torture, abuse, and humiliation at the hands of the British authorities as they were kept as grade 2 and grade 3 prisoners. It was only in 1939 when Gandhiji reached an agreement with the British authorities. Under the amnesty negotiations were they released. They said they had undertaken this step because of the British officials' misbehavior and outraging the modesty of Indian women during British Raj. Post-independence, Shanti Ghosh went on to serve in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly and Council between 1952 to 62 and 67 to 68. Santi also wrote a book, Arun Behni. She died in 1989. Suniti went on to become a doctor and died in 1988. Santi Ghose and Suniti Chaudhary, two inspirational teenagers driven by patriotism who assassinated a British magistrate because he outraged the modesty of Indian women. At a tender age of 14 and 15 respectively, inspired by revolutionary ideals, they gave up their childhood for the nation. Inspirational women who will continue to inspire generations of women to come in India. Friends, I am sure you like these inspirational videos which I bring out for you. Please do subscribe to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant, and also share these videos with your friends and family. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring video on your very own channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.